Once an alcoholic, always an alcoholic. You ever heard that? Everyone repeat that to you like daily? Today we're gonna debunk this myth and empower you with the truth about overcoming any type of alcohol addiction. Most people that call themselves an alcoholic don't have a physical addiction, so they're not actually an alcoholic. But if you have a high tolerance, then you're automatically on the spectrum. This age-old belief has held people back from reaching their true potential. It is officially time to understand that your past struggles with alcohol do not define who you are. Your brain is a powerful organ capable of incredible change through a process called neuroplasticity. You're gonna hear me talk a lot about this. I am an ex-alcoholic, a liver failure survivor, and I know exactly what it takes to break free from all physical addictions, emotional dependencies, and redefine your life and become someone brand new. I specialize in helping people become beyond sober. We all have our own unique battles and obstacles to overcome. Your journey into sobriety, which only takes 4 days, is uniquely yours. And I know how difficult it can be to break free from old patterns. But remember, you're not alone. Countless people have been able to rewrite their stories and completely transform their lives. And that's because we're all equally human. Worked with thousands of people, and not a single person has such a unique story that they need to be written about in medical journals. Every person that ever reached sobriety and jumped into a state of recovery was convinced that they couldn't do it. It's simply not true. That's the poison talking. The key to harnessing your brain's power lies in your choices. If you choose the same thoughts every day, then you're gonna get the same results every day. If you choose the same feelings every day, then you're going to receive the exact same emotions. And if you do the same exact things, you are obviously going to get the same exact return. To get something you've never had, you have to do something you've never done. Your brain is a series of pathways that you've created either intentionally or unintentionally. And by embracing the power of mindfulness, a little bit of meditation, and some focus on your nutrition, you can literally power your brain's remodeling processes. The more you practice being a healthy person, the stronger those new neural pathways become. You gotta be a healthy person in order to see yourself as a healthy person. Sobriety is simply taking time away from a poison, and recovery is putting all of your energy into healing. Oh, you don't have to heal all of your trauma, but there are areas of you that could really use your energy that's gonna prevent you from craving a poison later. Drinking more water, eating better foods, getting rest, going to sleep, maybe a little bit of exercise goes an extremely long way. If you've ever been convinced that once an alcoholic, always an alcoholic is true, then today is the day you start adopting the belief that you're becoming an ex-alcoholic. You have the power to change and grow and become someone far greater than you've ever been. And I'm excited to support you on your journey.